This is Thermocool 219 liters inverter chest freezer. This is what it looks like on the outside. As you can see, it's looking very nice. This is the thermostat and the light, where it has control, super and ref. You can use that to control the cooling point of this chest freezer. It comes with a very strong handle with a lock and key, so you can actually lock it here. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has a light to show you the contents of the chest freezer. It's 219 liters. It comes with 2 baskets. And it also has a very nice compartment on the side. You can see that. You can get this chest freezer at Zit electronics store. Just go to zit.ng. You will see this online. You can buy it at a very affordable price.